Hi, my name is Janet Half. I work for EPA in the Region 5 office, which serves Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Minnesota, Ohio, Wisconsin, and 35 tribes. It is my pleasure to welcome you to this training on why and how you can choose safer cleaning products. EPA Region 5 is grateful for the partnership of the Shakopee Mdewakanton Sioux Community in bringing this training to life and increasing awareness about the human health and environmental benefits of using safer products. With that, I'll turn it over to our host, Simeon Matthews.
Yahipi Kinwashte. It's good that you all came here. My name is Simeon Matthews. I'm the industrial hygienist for the Shakopee Mdewakanton Sioux Community. In my position, people often ask me about new products they're considering. Will it be safe for our staff? Will it be effective? Will it be environmentally friendly? We all want what's best for ourselves and our families, and we want what's best for the planet too. Grandmother Earth, or Untitled in the Dakota language, provides the clean air we breathe, the clean water we drink. And up until the Industrial Revolution, the natural ecosystems of Untitled were able to keep our climate in balance. To change course and stop the extreme temperatures and wildfires and natural disasters that are setting new records every year, it's going to require bold actions by the governments and corporations of the world. But we can make meaningful actions through our own everyday choices and behaviors too. Actions that protect ourselves and our families and our environment today. Today, I will be sharing how you can help protect the health of the environment, your families, and your communities through the cleaning products you use. Specifically, I'm going to show and highlight the importance of safer cleaning products, and I'll show you a great tool for finding them, the EPA's Safer Choice label. Whether in public spaces, at work, or at home, exposure to cleaning products is part of daily life. People using cleaning products can be exposed when using the product or inhaling its fumes, and others using the space can be exposed through the fumes and residues left behind. This exposure can be harmful because many cleaning products contain ingredients that can be potentially of concern for people. For example, they may irritate the skin or the respiratory system. One question I get asked is how to find alternatives to products that are technically safe, but a worker or a community member still has a strong sensitivity to. Many cleaning products are also quite harmful if they're released to the environment or exposed to our pets or to wildlife. Using safer cleaning products benefits the health of workers, individuals, families, and pets. Using safer cleaning products also promotes better indoor air quality, which is particularly important for vulnerable groups such as children, the elderly, and those with asthma and other respiratory conditions or sensitivities. In addition to human health, using safer cleaning products also benefits the environment. The products we use make their way into our air and our waterways, for example, when they're washed down the drain. So using safer products is an important way to protect ecosystems and wildlife. Using safer cleaning products promotes healthier watersheds that are more resilient to the stresses caused by climate change. So, what counts as a safer cleaning product? Well, one way that safer cleaning products are identified is through ecolabeling. Ecolabeling is a voluntary method for identifying and labeling products that meet certain environmental criteria. There are numerous eco-labels in use around the world, and many of these apply to cleaning products. A few examples are EPA Safer Choice, Green Seal, Eco Logo, Cradle to Cradle, and EU Ecolabel. In this video, we'll focus on the Safer Choice label. Safer Choice is a voluntary program of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA. The Safer Choice program helps commercial buyers and consumers identify products with safer chemical ingredients without sacrificing quality or performance. Before a product can carry the Safer Choice label, EPA scientists evaluate every ingredient against strict safety criteria for both human health and the environment. Safer Choice certified products must also meet performance standards, sustainable packaging requirements, and more. The Safer Choice label signifies that a product only contains ingredients that are safer for human health and the environment. Safer Choice certifies a wide range of products, ranging from all-purpose cleaners and bathroom cleaners to dish detergents and laundry products to floor care products, wood cleaners, and carpet cleaners. There are nearly 2,000 certified products made by a lot of the most familiar brands. Safer Choice certified products can be used wherever you clean, in hotels, offices, schools, sports facilities, homes, and more. Simply put, the Safer Choice label is an easy way for you to find and use cleaning products that are safer for you, the people around you, and the environment, without sacrificing quality or performance. Many people already recognize the Safer Choice label as a valuable source of information. In a recent online survey of over 2,000 US adults, more than 1/3 of people said they had seen the Safer Choice label on products on store shelves, and more than 80% said they would use the Safer Choice label to inform their purchasing decisions. Speaking of purchasing, how do you find Safer Choice certified products? One way is to look for the Safer Choice label on products on store shelves, whether in a physical store or when shopping online. Another option is to search for products on the Safer Choice website, epa.gov/saferchoice. The Safer Choice website includes the full listing of certified products, nearly 2,000 of them. You can search by product or company name, and you can use filters to see products for a particular use, home or business, or a particular type, such as hand soaps. You'll notice there is also a filter for fragrance-free products. Some people, particularly children and the elderly, are sensitive to fragrance materials in cleaning products. Additionally, some companies have adopted fragrance-free workplace policies. Safer Choice's fragrance-free label helps purchasers and consumers identify products that are verified by EPA to be fragrance-free. In addition to the Safer Choice label, EPA also offers the Design for the Environment, or DFE, label to help purchasers and consumers find antimicrobial products that have been reviewed by EPA and found to meet both the pesticide registration requirements and the standard for DFE certified products. To learn more about the DFE label, visit epa.gov/saferchoice/design-environment-pesticides. Now you have a resource for finding cleaning products that are safer for you, those around you, and the environment. Before we close, I'll touch on two questions that our facilities ask. They're also two of the first questions that I ask for my own household purchases. So the first question for a lot of people, aren't safer or more sustainable products more expensive? Well, the answer is no, not necessarily. There are Safer Choice certified products available across the price spectrum, including a lot of products at the most affordable price points. One reason for this common misconception is that most sustainable products are sold in concentrated form. With a concentrated product, it may look like you are paying more for a smaller bottle. However, once you dilute the concentrated product for use, you end up with a lot more product that lasts a lot longer. The next time you're in the cleaning products aisle, take a look at the Safer Choice certified products and compare for yourself. Another really important question to ask is, do these products really work? Years ago, I would see case after case of eco-friendly products that were never used. The reason being that even though they may have been truly safer in some way and or more eco-friendly, Unfortunately, the products just didn't work very well. For Safer Choice certified products, the answer is a clear yes, they work. In addition to meeting stringent safety criteria, every Safer Choice certified product has met high standards for performance. These products must pass category-specific performance standards for each type of product, and they have to perform comparably to conventional products. This applies to all products, whether they are concentrated or not, scented or fragrance-free. If a product doesn't perform, it doesn't pass the evaluation for Safer Choice certification. At this point, hopefully I have addressed most of your questions and left you feeling informed and empowered to choose safer cleaning products. If you have additional questions or would like more information, please visit the Safer Choice website at epa.gov/saferchoice or contact the Safer Choice program at saferchoice@epa.gov. The Safer Choice label helps consumers identify products made with safer ingredients without sacrificing quality or performance. We can all play a role in protecting the environment and the health of the people around us. Choosing safer cleaning products is an important and easy step that we can all take. Pidam ayayedo. Thank you.